Pharmacies, local chains, and retailers are buried in repetitive work, manual data entry, and the same routines every day. Often, they do not even realize there's a better way, and even when they do, finding an answer usually comes with a consulting bill. $5,000, $10,000, sometimes $15,000, just to identify what to optimize and automate. So the businesses with the most repetitive work and the most to gain are often the ones left behind. That is exactly why the demand is enormous. Millions of small businesses need optimization and automation, but almost none can afford the first step. Consularis flips that model. Using Amazon Nova will help businesses map their processes and uncover what is actually worth automating and optimizing, without the massive upfront cost.
Okay, let's now move on the demo. Here, you're meeting Aurelius or a graph agent. You can either start from blank or from a template. Let's take the example of the pharmacy template. In the center of the UI, you have the graph, and on the left, you have a tool menu where you can, for example, add elements. The top layer of the graph is composed of the different processes that you have in your business. The process is composed of multiple elements such as steps, decision nodes, and also sub-processes. Each step has a bunch of metrics so you can really map your business precisely. Then there's Aurelius, the graph agent, and he's good at two things. First, you can ask him questions about the current graph. Here he's detailing how we currently process fake prescriptions. He highlighted that we could add a third step for protection, and so I'm asking him to add it. Once you're fully done with your graph, you can click on the Analyze button. Another agent is going to process your entire graph and generate a report in two parts. First, the business metrics, and then the automation opportunities. Okay, let's now move on a completely new example where we want to map the flow of a pizzeria. When starting from blank, the agent will start by asking questions about the business so it can detail the plan as much as possible. This is why we chose to redo the UI and the graph structure from scratch, so that the agent is really able to add as many information as possible in it, so that the report is really tailored to your business. To come back to what the agent generated, you can see that there's a lot of details and that everything makes sense. The goal is to keep interacting with the agent until you're satisfied with the graph and then generate your report.
With Consularis and Amazon Nova, small businesses do not just get another tool, they get clarity on where to start, what to prioritize, and how automation can actually pay off.